Good morning, everyone. So, here is the question number 10 of exercise 8.3. So, first, we will resolve the LHS side this equation, which is 1 plus. We can write tan square A as sin square A divided by cos square A. Excuse me. As cos square A. And then we can write cot square A as cos square A divided by sin square A. Now we take LCM here. Cos square A चला जाएगा cos square A plus sin square A divided by, here we will also take the LCM, so it will become sin square A again sin square A plus cos square A. We know that sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. So we will put the value here 1 by cos square A, and this will go in multiplication into 1 by sin square A, so it will be reciprocated and written as sin square A divided by 1. So it will become sin square A divided by cos square A, and we know that sin A by cos A is tan A, and here because it is squared, so we know that sin square A divided by cos square A equals to tan square A. Now we will move on to the next equation, which is 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A की whole square. Now we can write tan A as sin A by cos A, and we can write cot A is cos A by sin A whole square. Now we will take LCM there, which is cos A minus sin A divided by sin A minus cos A the whole square. Now we know that it is cos A minus sin A, and this is sin A minus cos A. So one of them will be converted into like other. So we will convert this into cos A minus sin A. So cos A minus sin A divided by cos A into sin A divided by cos A माइनस साइन है। ये कन्वर्ट कैसे हुआ? तो ये कन्वर्ट हुआ ऐसे कि साइन ए माइनस कॉस ए होता है, माइनस कॉस ए को आगे ले आया प्लस साइन ए, उसके बाद हमने माइनस को कॉमन ले लिया, कॉस ए माइनस साइन ए। सो हेयर उसके बाद फिर ये दोनों कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा और ये बचेगा साइन ए बाय कॉस ए। इसका होल स्क्वायर था तो होल स्क्वायर कर देंगे, साइन स्क्वायर ए डिवाइडेड बाय cos square A, which is equals to tan square A. Now we can see that both of the equation gave tan square है, which is equating with the resultant tan square है, hence proved.